Ah, yes, the infamous Windows 8. Many people consider this to be one of the worst operating systems put out by Microsoft. A lot of the reason was there was no start menu. Whenever you'd click on the start button, it would just take you back to that annoying start screen that was meant for tablet devices that hadn't even really caught on yet. People wanted the start menu back. But don't worry, there's an easy solution. Simply go to your web browser and go ahead and go to the URL www.classicshell.net. That will bring you to this page, and what you want to do is click on download, and then there are several downloads. You need to choose the language for you. So I went ahead and clicked on English, and then it will run a .exe file. So go ahead, it's only like 6.9 megabytes, very small file. Go ahead and wait for it to download, and then once it's downloaded, you can open it and you don't have to extract any files. So go ahead and click next. Make sure you check that you agree to the license terms. Choose where you want it installed, and then you'll have to give it administrator permissions with the user account control. Very quick installation, and then I unchecked the open readme file, but that's it. Once you download that, you have the start menu back. So when I click the start button, it brought me back. You can choose which style of start menu you want, like if you want the classic one or the one from Windows 7. And for some reason it did actually change my wallpaper when I did this. I think that's some kind of glitch, but it only did it like twice, and that was only when I actually changed the layout of the start menu. But anyway, once you choose the one you want, look, pressing the Windows key opens the start menu, the classic start menu that people love, the one that nobody wanted to be taken away. And if you ever want to get back to the start screen, you can just open the start menu and click start screen at the top, as you can see right there. And that's all you have to do to get the classic start menu back on Windows 8 that everybody loved and that nobody wanted gone. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you thought that was helpful. Be sure to share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.